Well, these are breaking updates on the latest decision that has been taken by the Tamil Nadu government as far as opening up religious places this festive season here. The government decides that they are to be kept open from Friday to Sunday. So 3 days of the weekend here that religious places will be open. Shops and hotels will also be kept to allow open up to a further time pushed up to 11 p.m. and the Tamil Nadu government allowing religious places to be kept open in this manner. Private tuition centers allowed to open as well. Private job expos that can be organized. So there can be expos organized as well. A ban of festivals, cultural, social, political gathering will continue. So all of this allowed to be open as long as there is no rush of people, there is no mass gathering here, is what the Tamil Nadu government says. It's part of opening up, and with the numbers of COVID-19 coming down. Our correspondent Mughalen getting us further details. Mughalen, this was of course also require a certain level of preparedness to avoid crowding, to avoid heavy gatherings of people as these places open up now.
Already we know the Tamil Nadu state government every 15-day once or every monthly once they used to review the COVID situation in the state and then grant the relaxations as per the situation. But we have seen the Tamil Nadu state government announce that all the religious places will be shut from Friday to Sunday in order to prevent people gathering in large number during festival times. But we have seen BJP was mounting pressure on the Tamil Nadu state government to allow temples to kept open on all the days of the week, and more importantly we have seen representatives from several other religions also were making similar requests to the Tamil Nadu state government. And following that, yesterday there was a meeting chaired by the chief minister and it was attended by all the senior officers and the officers from the health department. And now what we are hearing from the Tamil Nadu state government is that now it has been decided that all the religious places will be allowed to be kept open on all days, like unlike till yesterday where the temples will be shut from Friday to Sunday. And more importantly, now the shops which will all the shops in the state will be allowed to be kept open till 11 p.m. now, because earlier it was only till 10 p.m. but now the government have extended another hour and allowed to open keep the shops open till 11 p.m. And more importantly, the beach, the public access to the beaches was prohibited on Sundays, but now the government have given permission for the people to access beaches on Sundays also, that is from November 1st. But along with this, now the government have also increased the number of people who can attend the marriages, because earlier it was only 50 people who can attend the marriages, but from November 1st onwards, now the government have announced that 100 people can take part in participate in a marriage, and 50 people can participate in any funerals is what we are getting to hear from the Tamil Nadu government. And more importantly, the ban on religious, political, cultural, social gatherings still continue. And it has also have requested the people of Tamil Nadu to be more cautious, because the festival times are we are in a festival period, and it has also requested people not to gather in public places unnecessarily.
Absolutely. That's right. Well, Mughalen, many thanks for getting us those details here.